Today we are going to our house
Where?
in the
Hmm?
in the evening time. Means in Gurgaon from
Oh,
Delhi. Yes. Actually, it's a Diwali vacation and the institute will be off for around 5 to 7 days.
so you are not going to your village
No,
for Diwali.
no, I don't go actually.
Why? You can celebrate Diwali with your uncle, auntie,
Uh,
grandparents.
yes, you are right. But here actually, where at my flat actually, it's like a home. And
It's okay, but Diwali is celebrated with our family members.
mm, yes, right.
So you don't want to go.
Mm,
Why? Hmm?
nothing special, but just like I I got clean my I did clean my house before Diwali, and
It's okay. You can
mm,
clean, you do painting, whatever, but you should celebrate your festival with your family members. That's I'm
mm,
means you don't want to go there.
no, I don't.
You don't go or don't want to go.
No, no, I go there. Usually, we have many works for in my village, but like if we have some work, so we usually go there, but not for any festival.
Not for
Festivals.
so means you get the pension of your father. Hmm?
Hmm.
Means legally it is transferred to the children.
Hmm.
For how long?
Until my brother turns 25. He's 20 years old.
So after that you will not get.
Yes. After that, he will be like independent.
And there is no mercy appointment.
About what?
Mercy appointment.
Like for job?
That is called Anukampa Niti.
Hmm.
It is given to the children after parents' death during job.
Yes, actually, there are several companies in army under army. You know, there are many. So they have their different rules.
Hmm.
Some some prefer, some not prefer. So we tried for it, and they they replied you can get everything, but job is not possible. And if you need job or like you if you try for job in future, we have many problems actually in our documentation. So like in my father's army record, our date of birth and names different. They are not matching with our like civil documents. So the document changement is not possible. It's possible, but it's really very hard.
Changing documents.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Mm.
Hmm. What is going on there? Baba is going, I think.
Where?
Baba is going there outside, nearby your
No.
house.
Someone is singing. That's why
Hmm.
you're no. You know we are on top. We are on top floor at this house, or like inside on the ground floor. The landlord and their children are there. So they are actually they actually all the day they sing. The mother and father and the children always in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, everywhere.
Everybody sings
Everybody, yes.
and they sing loudly.
Yes. Very loudly. Hardly.
Somebody was singing there.
Elder son of the house.
Singing.
Hmm.
Uh, are they music lover or what?
I don't know what type of person they are. Actually, they always most of in the morning time they listen some prayers on their television and loudly and like aarti and bhajan and everything. After the that complete that bhajan and aarti and kirtan, that's all. They sing their own song, that like filmy songs.
Hmm.
Sometimes at first we got some problems with their, and they always actually they are very like they always scold each other and very loudly, and they always cruel with each other all the times. And we thought we took that room for study, and how would we do that? So let silence. We want silence, pin drop silence.
Means you want to say that
Mm.
you took that place on rent for studies.
Mm.
But as they people always quarrel with each other,
Mm.
they scold each other, they quarrel with each other loudly.
Loudly.
So it's a nuisance for you. It is difficult for you to study in that atmosphere.
Mm.
So don't you go to them, and I think not only you, I think others will also be disturbed.
Who others?
The other neighbors.
No, it's like in cities, the houses are actually they are separated like close. So like you cannot disturb anyone and neighbors, like, because it's very, like, very under and very deep houses. But we are on the floor and we have on the roof we have the cage, two cage. That's why we can listen that.
Well, means only this is ground floor and you are at the first floor.
The first and top, yes. Yes, first floor.
So there is no other family in that building.
No.
So you don't go to them to stop quarreling and not to make a noise.
Actually, if someone if someone will here accept us, so
Together you can.
yeah, together, or I think like accept from us. So, like, we are some kind of different person actually. Any other outer thing cannot disturb our mind. We are very fond of meditation and all. So if you are doing anything in front of us, so nothing can happen in our mind. Like like concentration power, or you can say whatever.
So, what is the caste of that family?
I think they are Pandit Sharma.
They are
So,
quarreling but singing also.
yes, singing, and, like, they always cruel. That is really very rude. They always cruel and they quarrel, yeah, and they always chanting some mantras.
Very opposite things they are doing.
Yes, right.
Quarreling and chanting and singing.
Singing.
And the people who are fond of music, they are always cool and calm.
Yes, right.
They don't quarrel. But as with you told me the many opposite things about them, that sometimes they quarrel, sometimes they chant, and on the other time they just sing. It means the characteristics of that families are contradiction is there.
Yeah, contradiction is there, yes, right.
Sometimes they laugh, sometimes they weep.
Yes, right. Yes.
How many members are there?
Two husband and wife, and two sons.
Two husbands and two wives.
No, one husband, one wife. Means two and two their children, like two sons.
हम दो हमारे दो. हम दो हमारे दो टाइप फैमिली.
Yes.
हम दो हमारे 8.
Yes, and
such type of families are also there. हम दो हमारे 8. In Muslim community.
Yes, right.
Okay, you just keep speaking. I am just taking my leave home.
Yes, right. No problem.
while you warm water.
Okay.
Now I think as I have been taking lukewarm water whole day, so it is going to reduce my weight.
Yes.
So I have reduced half a kilo, half a kilo, आधा kilo in 2-3 days.
In 2-3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
So just I ask you some questions.
Yes, why not? Sure.
So so what do you think of your future? Means how do you means where do you see yourself after 5 years?
After 5 years.
Yes, where do you see yourself?
Means there are many things. So means about what? My inside or my like my job, business and
Yes,
health,
I am
wealth,
talking
and
about your status.
okay.
Social status, financial status, I am talking about that. Means of course today means you have got something today, but how means what do you see or where do you see yourself after 5 years? If you keep doing the things which you have been doing, or if you change, or if you bring some changes to your business, routine, activities, or do you have any planning for that? How much serious are you for that?
Yes,
Or
yes, of course.
how
So
much do you think for your brother as you are elder brother? So it's your responsibility. So to take care of him or to guide him that what he should do for his future.
yes, right. So actually,
Hmm.
if I think about my wealth,
Pardon?
so about wealth, about anything like my business or if I do any job,
Hmm.
so I want enough money that I can survive with. Only that's all. I don't need like huge money with me.
Pardon?
I don't want extra money. Extra
I.
money.
What did you say?
I said I don't want extra money. Like apart from my daily routine or my expenses, like or so
Means you don't want to be rich.
no.
Why?
It's not a goal.
It's not your goal.
Yes, because like uh, if we have like more money,
Hmm.
then we always sacrifice our like our happiness with our happiness. So always being busy with making money or making money is not good. It should be only for our daily expenses. So that's I'm doing that right now. I like I have enough money, enough sources for money, so I can do it in my life. It's
But you don't want to be rich and you don't have dreams as others may have or others have. As you know, I think might be your friends or the young people like you, they always have dream to be rich. They always want to be rich.
mm,
So you have no such a dream that you want to be a very very rich person.
according to me, money is important. Being rich is not important.
Not?
Not important. Money is important.
Okay, but I tell you one thing here.
Hmm.
Suppose, okay, it's okay, you don't want to be rich and you want to be happy within your limits and you just want to enjoy.
Hmm.
If you are able to fulfill your needs, means you don't need any extra money to buy some luxurious thing in your life, right?
Hmm.
But suppose there is a family or there is a person who needs your help, means he is in need of money because either his family member is sick or there may be any reason, means suppose he needs your help or he needs anybody's help, but if you come across with that person or family and you decide to help him because you think that the condition of that family is not good, this family is to be helped and you want to help him, and that time you realize that you want to help but you cannot help because you don't have enough money, you have got the sufficient money for you only, not you don't have any extra money to help others.
Hmm. Right.
So what do you think? So that's why it's my opinion that if you want to help others you have to be rich first.
So actually, first of all, I will help. I will try to help that person. Whatever I have. Or another thing is that, like, there are many poor person in India.
Hmm.
So first of all, I don't want to help them with money.
Hmm.
It's a bad thing.
Hmm.
But like you said, if someone is like uh, sick and is there are some health problem, so it is another thing. So we can help them in another way. So there are many poor person in India. So we should give some another thing them, like so they can survive their life. Uh, they can also make their daily routine. They can have their food. So we can give them some work actually. So first of all, it is not everyone's responsibility. Not necessary. But you said someone is someone across you. So my question is, my answer is that I will do whatever I can do, but not with money. And if money is needed for them, so I can do that thing for them. And of course, like I didn't say that in my life and only for my daily routine basis. It should be like more like uh, for a health purpose and
Hmm. Hello.
yes, yes.
Huh. Actually, I do agree with you. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
I
Yes,
do.
I can hear you.
I do agree with you. That
Mm.
helping anybody by money is not a good thing,
Mm.
and you are going to give them some work by which they can earn money or they can learn to earn.
Mm.
It's okay. But my point is that if you want to help anybody in this society, you have to arrange some of the things, sources, resources, or you need, sometimes you may need manpower, or sometimes you need something else. And to arrange all these things, you have to invest money, you should have a big amount of money with you. Actually, helping someone in the society is okay, you can do that. But if you want to help a big part of the society or the weaker section of the society, then you should be financially sound first. If you are poor yourself, how can you help a poor? If you don't have food to eat, how can you feed others? First, you will arrange food for yourself.
Mm.
So, I mean to say, if you are rich and if you are able to earn lot of money, utilize it for doing something good in the society. There are many things. Today, I was walking in the morning and I had a very good idea. Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. So when I
Yeah,
was walking, I had a
mm.
very good idea. And that idea was that I want to have a very big ashram. Very big ashram. And there I will,
Mm.
means, what I would say means uh, I will try to uh, establish uh, the girls orphan
Oh.
orphan girls there, means their parents means, means their parents are no more. So I will collect the data from many sources and I will get such girls from the beginning, or from at any age, and I will manage school for them there, and they will study there, and I will ask them to do some work also there
Mm.
for me, like for not for me for themselves only. Like means the farming of flowers, farming of fruits. Like means if we have cows there, then they will feed cow. They will have milk there, and that milk would be used for these girls. And the flowers will go into the market for selling. And we'll grow or we do farming for the vegetables. So these are the sources for earning to meet out the expenses of that ashram.
Yes, yes.
And so they all the girls and only the lady staff would be there to take care of these girls in a hostel or anything. I mean, everywhere only the ladies staff would be appointed to take care of them. No gents staff. And that is my dream actually. That's why I'm telling you. And after their education and all, we get a good match for them, and we'll arrange marriage. Arrange their marriage, and we will send them to their husband's house. Means we'll do Kanyadan. And I will treat all these girls as my daughters. And if I could do that in my life, I think I would be the happiest man.
Yes, actually, I have already
But you
thought.
know, to do all these things, I need lot of money.
Mhm. Mhm.
Because actually, you know, even if you go to government's department, they don't listen actually. Because actually that is not their fault.
Mhm.
Because that society has developed in that way that negativity is always there. If you go to any government office with good intention, they never means judge, or they never try to judge that you have come here with good intention, because they think that because that has been the tradition of the government departments. They think that everybody comes here with negative or bad intention. So you have to prove them that you are there with good intention, and it is very difficult to convince them. Even if you are there with good intention, they will ask you for some, price.
Yes, right. Actually, that idea I really liked, and I have already thought about not that same idea, but sometimes the idea comes in my mind. I donate something in the that orphans ashram, like. But actually,
Don't worry, you will donate me later. If I open or if I establish such ashram,
yes,
you
right.
will donate me.
But actually, they if you go to any that orphan ashram, you should visit there. You should visit there what they are doing, how they how they treat them. They sometimes they beat them, and sometimes they never the money we donate them
They are Rakshas.
yes the money comes in their pocket.
They are Rakshas.
Yes.
Like
And
Gurmeet Singh.
yes.
He was Rakshas.
No, it was a big Rakshas. He was a big Rakshas, but in our society there are many another ashrams also. So if you visit there, if you donate some money, they never give them benefit of the money.
I know that means of course the 80% of the things are going
Mhm.
on the wrong path,
Mhm.
because there is no monitoring,
Mhm.
and the officers who go
Mhm.
there to monitor, they are also corrupted. They
Yes,
do
yes, yes.
everything. Everything is happening before their eyes, but they just turn their face to the
Mhm.
opposite direction and they pretend not to. They pretend that they have not seen such things there, and they approve it, they pass it, and they take bribe from the owner of the ashram and they allow them to continue. So this
Yes.
is the problem, but we are not going to, or we can never do that because we know it that I can never do anything wrong in my life. So I am 100% sure that I can do that, I will do that, and the day I will start, that would be my best day. That would be the best day of my life.
Yes.
So
Right.
I want to
And
do that, and even if I get some money in my future, I will do that.
only this thing is
Even if
good.
suppose I am not able to have hundreds of girls, no problem. I'll have 10, I'll have 20, I'll have
Mm.
30, no problem. I'll take the responsibility of these 30 girls, their education, their marriage, and everything. That's all. If I could do that in my life, I'll be the happiest man, and I will have a very good new birth next
Mm.
time. So
Yes. So,
I just want to do something good in my
but
life.
only the person, you should do one thing like only no one you should be the direct person for this for the doing this thing.
Even I don't need any donation from government.
No, 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 not donation. I'm not talking about donation. Means in the middle of you and that orphans, like some managers and another person.
I will have manager and all, pardon, everything. Of
Hmm.
course, I will have staff, but all these would be girls. Oh, sorry, ladies.
Ladies.
And sometimes some of the girls who are educated and they will be appointed there in the ashram itself as a teacher or as a warden, or according to their education and interest they will be given the job in ashram itself. And if I
Hmm.
could manage it properly, I will have next ashram.
Hmm.
I will do that.
Right, right.
That is my dream. So so what I was telling you, that we need lot of money in our life, even if you want to do something good. Of course I know that I am
Actually, I want to just say one thing. Like I always prefer that thing. I need money, and we should have money. Means I mean to say I don't want to use money on myself. That is my intention actually. On myself. I want only money that I can survive with this thing. Other than the money if I will get in future, I will use it for that work.
means you don't want to use your money for yourself, you want to
Yes,
say
yes.
that,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes, right.
But here I want to, of course, as far as means I am concerned,
Mhm.
my aim is not to save money. My aim is to, of course, I spend money lavishly. I spend money for my clothes, for my style, my shoes. Otherwise, I have no other expenses. I never drink wine. I never eat non-veg food. Sometimes I visit different places with my students or friends. So, but apart from this, of course, I don't spend lot of money for that. But I spend some money, means around, you can say, yearly 25,000
Okay. Yearly.
yearly. Sometime maybe more than that. I don't know. And because actually, I buy clothes for me, and if I put it on for 2, 3 times, 4 times, and if it is washed,
No, 25 is not like a big amount.
yeah, 25,000 I spend every year
It's not
on
big
my
amount.
clothes.
Yes.
Because maybe sometimes suit, sometime sports, sometimes track suits, sometimes sports shoes, or maybe more than, little bit more than that, maybe 30 or 35,000 I spend, because actually this is my nature. I use my shoes just for 1 year, whether it is, whether they are in good condition, I don't use them. I give them to a, a poor. ले जा भैया, जूते पड़े हैं, चाहिए क्या? चाहिए बाबू जी, ले जा.
That's why I don't prefer branded shoes because we cannot throw them.
Even I buy clothes, and if suppose it is washed for 4 or 5 times, or 6 times, or 10 times, and if I see that the color is faded, even little bit, I reject it. And after rejection, it is distributed to the poor, or among the poor. Means my sweaters, my jackets, sweatshirts. Just actually, a few months back, in the month of April, there was a sale on Javan.
Javan.com.
Yes, and I knew that time I knew that I had to arrange some, sports cloth for winter. So that time I got 3 or 4 jackets and lowers. This I arrange it in advance.
Okay.
So, but as I have already told you, this is my dream. If I have some money with me in my future, I'll do something for the girls, or girl child of our country, with the education and with their job, bedding, everything.
Right.
ऐसा करना ही है. But that can be done if you are rich. If you are rich.
Right.
But if you are not rich, you can't do that. Hmm. Do you want to do such type of things in your life?
Yes,
Hmm?
yes, surely.
I think your thoughts are good always. Means as I have been in touch with you for many months, and I realize that you really have good thoughts, and I am just following you for your vision and for your life. Good, keep it up. And
Because I never spend more time with my type of youngster. Like I always spend time with over 50 or 40. So I always share and I always want their experience. I always listen them.
listen to them. Huh?
Yeah, I will always listen to them and their experience. It's really works for me. And yes, I do fun with my friends also, and but like not watching movies on theaters and having fun in malls and like
Watching
that.
movies in theater is really time wasting and money
Yes,
wasting. If you want to
yes.
see movies, you can watch on Google. I mean on YouTube.
Yes, yes, yes.
Why should you waste your time
Hmm.
in theater? I haven't seen any movie in theater for many years. I think for 10 years,
Hmm.
because it is very, I feel suffocation there. Of course, hello.
Hello,
Hmm.
hello.
Yes.
Yes, there are network problem actually.
What I was telling.
Hmm.
Try to be happy and energetic always. And follow truth. And remember one thing, the person who is right, always stand by him, whoever he may be. He is known or he is unknown to you, but if he is true, stand by him.
Hmm.
उसके साथ खड़े रहो हमेशा, जो सच
Yes.
है. If you do that, God will be happy with you and your work will be done without even asking. Hello?
Hello.
Disconnection is always there.
एक्चुअली आई थिंक नेटवर्क मेरा बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया है सो
Okay, don't worry. So our class is going.
हाँ यस
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
yes.
See you. Will you have class tomorrow or?
नो नॉट टुमारो वी हैव टू गो टुडे एंड if I have on Monday I will I will message you
Okay, okay.
on Sunday.